Good morning, TK. For our handwriting and phonics lesson today, we are going to get ready to roll out our objective. Let's get our bodies ready to be whole body listeners. And give me 5. Eyes forward, ears listening, mouths quiet, hands and feet are calm. We're going to try our best. So we have been working this week with the letter A. We're going to say our objective together, so let's roll it out. Say, I can trace the letter A. I can trace the letter A. So we're going to trace the letter A, and then we're also going to listen and practice saying the letter A sound. So for that one, say with me, I can say the letter A sound. We're going to hear the sound and say the sound. Ready? I can say the letter A sound. So we're going to trace the letter A and then we're going to say the letter A sound. For today's class, you're going to need this handout with the letter A at the bottom. We're going to trace the letter A. We're going to also need 2 booklets. We're going to need this little booklet here. Mine is already colored, but you and I are going to color a few things in here. To hear our A sound, we're going to use this booklet. And we also need this booklet right here. We need this one that we've been working on. So we can trace our uppercase and lowercase a. So we need this booklet, this one, and this handout right here. All right, TK? So hopefully your parents can help you grab the things that you're going to need for your class. The handout, this and this. And we're going to start now with our letter A song. Let's begin. Okay, TK, let's get ready to listen to the letter A song. And if you start to learn the words, try to sing along.
Alan ate an apple, an awesome it did taste. Ava ate an apricot and not a bite did waste. Andy watched a little ant crawl along the ground, and Allie watched an alligator swim without a sound. The alphabet begins with A. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray for A! Let's find the words that start with letter A. Amazing letter A. At the airport, Aaron watches airplanes in the air. Annie saw an antelope and knew to be aware. Archie is an artist, Amber flies a kite, and Abby is an actress. She acts all day and night.
All right, TK. So we listened to a lot of words that begin with the letter A, like the word actress. That's the word you're seeing right now. Abby is an actress. We also see that we have words like the letter the letter apple with the A sound, apple, actress, airplane. And all these words start with the letter A. What we're going to do now is I'm going to ask you to grab this booklet and we're going to listen to words in this booklet that start with the letter A sound. So grab this and your crayons and then we will start our booklet activity. All right, TK, so we should have our booklet like this, right, with our little flip cards. This is our flip book, and we should have our crayons. Today, we're not going to color all of it. We're just going to color 2 cards. This right here, we're reading from left to right. It says, I like the, and listen to the sound, axe. Say it with me, axe. Axe starts with the letter A and then makes the A sound. Look at our mouths and then let's try it, axe. You're going to color the axe, so go ahead and take a crayon and color your axe. see how this one has brown and gray? You can use brown and gray, so go ahead and color. Then your booklet probably has a different picture. Then you're going to find the picture inside your booklet. They're in different order. Find the one of the apple and color the apple. So today we're coloring the axe and we're coloring the apple. Go ahead and color them. If you need to push pause right now, you can press pause right now. So you're coloring the picture of your axe and the apple. Apple has the A sound as well. Apple. Again, apple. So we can read, I like the apple. When you have your book, I want you to practice today and do it with me. You could even do it with your parents later and read the word, I like the axe, and then move it around. I like the apple. Axe, apple. Both have the A sound. So you should have finished coloring this. We'll finish the other cards tomorrow. And what we're going to do now is we are going to get ourselves ready to do a little tracing. We're going to get our other booklet. And now we're going to work on tracing the letter A. For this, I'm going to let you trace using a crayon. Okay, so it's nice and colorful. So for this one, grab a crayon, a color that you like. I'm going to use the color blue. And we're going to write uppercase A. I'm going to trace it first. So we start at the top like this. Grab your crayon, grab your booklet, and let's begin. Stay on the line. We go 1, 2, and across. Go ahead and do that one more time. It's like 3 steps almost. Down, down, across. I'm going to do that again. Down, down, across. Last time, and stay on the line. Down, oops, down, down, across. And we act the letter A, we act it out by going like this because uppercase A looks like a mountain. Lowercase A has a curve and a line. So we go curve, line. We're going to try to do that with our song tomorrow. Curve and line. So go ahead and grab your crayon. You can use the same color or a different one. I'm going to use orange now. Okay. And let's start. We're going to start with the curve. For the letter lowercase a, we're going to start right here. Curve and line. Again, curve and line. You can say what you're doing. Curve and line. Curve and line. One more time. Curve and line. You can count how many times you wrote the letter A. You can push pause right now, TK, if you need to finish tracing uppercase and lowercase a. I'm all done, but take your time. And now that you're finished, we colored the axe. That makes the a sound, axe. I like the axe. I like the apple. And then we went and started tracing our uppercase and lowercase a. We have one more thing to do, but before we start on this, we're going to do a brain break. So go ahead and finish tracing and then join us for our brain break.